Welcome to Digital No-Brainers, a short series of videos about the essential knowledge that quick and easy wins in online marketing. These videos will not last more than 2 to 3 minutes. The first thing we're going to look at is the Pinterest extension button. You have to use that in the Google Chrome browser. If you use Pinterest, or even if you don't, you should, it's free to put your product onto, then this is an essential tool, a no-brainer, because we want to add all our products as fast as possible, brochure or shopping cart products, so that they are on Pinterest. If I'm not on there, people can't see them. Okay. So there are two ways to add product to Pinterest. I'm going to go over to the screen. The first one is manually. I can upload an image. I don't want to do that. If I add an image from the computer, my hard drive, it is viewed in Pinterest. It's not viewed where someone can buy it. And that's the power of the extension. The way we install the extension is, I'm going to make this easy for you. I'm going to put a link directly to the product in the Chrome store. Enter it into your browser and press return, and it will bring it up. This is free, made by Pinterest. And I click Add to Chrome. Look at this corner, okay? And these little icons. Add extension. And there's a little P appeared, the Pinterest logo. That's it. We are installed. You are ready to go. And I will show you what ready to go means. Come out of there. We'll go to our website. And we're going to go to a page with products on or pictures on. And if you have a shopping cart, that might be a section on, I don't know, candles or anything, okay? And you'll see all these different images that make up the page. When I click the Pinterest extension button, they all appear in a ready-to-go Pinterest screen. And I'm going to add the picture of me. And this is the order you do things. See this edit button? Just like I would on Pinterest, I describe it. Helps if you spell. Is the owner and digital marketing director at Business Link. Okay, I might put a link in. Then I pick which board I want it to go to, and I'm going to put this one into the Business Link board. We just finished. That was it. I'll go and have a look at it online, and here it is. If I click the edit button, you'll see that all the information is in as we should. If you're adding a pin manually, the difference is we just did it super fast, super quick, and we can do all the products in one go off that screen that has all the pictures on. Very simple. Gets your business onto Pinterest in a matter of minutes, an hour at a push, and you'll be able to sell more products on the social media platform that monetizes the most. That is a digital no-brainer. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, found it useful, then please do click the thumbs up. That's very useful to me. If you like the video from a channel perspective, if it's the first time you've watched one of my videos, then I will be making these videos all the time, regularly, and uploading them. Please subscribe. That'd be excellent if you want to become a business thinker. And thank you for watching.